back to my channel again, my friends and my families. Okay, now we will cook delicious pancake. So our ingredients is we have this one egg. Okay, we will crack it and put it here, and we will put 1/2 cup of fresh milk. 1/2 cup of fresh milk. Okay, and we will whisk or mix it. And we will put 1 cup purpose flour. Okay, and 1 teaspoonful of baking powder. This one, baking powder. You'll mix it all together, okay? And 4 grams of butter. 4 grams of butter. So that you will put butter so that the smell is coming more good. And we will put a pinch of salt. Don't too much put too much salt because it will become salty. Okay, and we will put also the sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. And we will put vanilla. Okay, up to you, this is optional. And up to you if how much the quantity you will put. Okay, this vanilla. And now we will mix it all together until it will remove the big one para mawala po yung buo-buo. Now, we will cook now. Okay. We will make it a low fire. This one I use it because it's the size of the pancake, not too much big. So it sizes it already. So I will put butter, only little butter. This is almaray butter here in Kuwait. Only little only. Okay. Then we will put 1 scoop of like this. Or more. Wow, I can smell the smell of vanilla. So delicious. The smell is so delicious. And we will put it in here in the plate. It's cooked already. So, pancake I make now. This is now the outcome of our pancake, delicious pancake. Because I put vanilla, the vanilla is making the smell so good. So this is now the outcome of our pancake. Thank you again for today. and I hope you learned something again for me today. And I love you all, guys. God bless. Thank you so much.